Welcome to Divorce Planners. My name is Stacy Champion. I am here to help teach the American people about our divorce industry. I am also here to help people divorce with some integrity and walk away better human beings. I believe this is possible by doing your own divorce. So our first videos on Divorce Planners are going to be going state by state, introducing people to the self-help in your state. This will help you understand the paperwork and the process and what will be expected of you in this process in your life. As many of you know or have witnessed, family and friends going through divorce that gets strung on for years by a divorce attorney. This process is expensive. It breaks people beyond repair oftentimes. So we will be educating people on the divorce industry as well in this YouTube channel. So we're going to get started right away with going state by state. If there's a state that doesn't allow a divorce, then we will enter into that a little bit later on in videos later. So far, I have a few states that we'll have to come back and visit. We are going to be introducing the step-by-step processes. I do advise that you look at the notices from your courts. You look at any links that will be beneficial to you. And as I go state by state, you'll see where some of those things are. Understand the process of coming into a hearing alone without an attorney. And if you're both in agreement, the process is extremely easy for yourself and for the courts. Now, obviously, if you want to DIY your own divorce and divorce with some integrity, then you will probably understand that here at Divorce Planners, I am not an attorney. I do not give legal advice. All right, welcome to Maryland. We're going to walk you through the beginning steps of getting divorced in Maryland. So we're going to come on here to the website and court help. Court help. Court forms is good. Child and family. We want to try and minimize it down to what we need. Okay, so there's your court forms. There's legal help. Family court help, legal videos, and information on legal topics such as divorce, custody, and domestic violence. So you could look at those, educate yourself on their perspective on those. My channel is going to be educating you probably on a little different perspective when it comes to legal counsel in this matter. Anyway, here's the court forms. Family. Okay, so this is obviously other services they provide, but what we're looking for is DIY divorce. So, let me come over here. Family law forms. And it looks like they're going to give you a list of forms. Use form file when you're guided through questions to identify. Find a walk-in family court help center, which is good. Or call your local family court. We just really want to be able to figure this out on our own. So it looks like they have a lot of documents here. I wonder if they have an information. Here's general instruction form. Let's see if we can find the instructions that tell you which forms to do. All right, general instructions. Do you need a lawyer? What legal resources are available? Clearly, you can find those on this website. They're right there for you. How do I start my case? What is service of process? So I would start right about here. Well, how much will it cost? And where should you file, which is usually your county. What happens after service is made. So this is what I would suggest printing. And this is your resources. So if you just need legal questions answered or something, you can hit one of these legal clinics up and get those legal questions answered. And then here's how you start your case. So here they're telling you the forms. Some states have a nice little click on icon. You can click on the form and go fill it out. This one does not. Okay, and there's your what is your service. So as you're reading through this, it's going to tell you step by step. And then these are the documents, okay, that they are wanting in those areas as you're reading what the court wants from you. So these are the documents. So when you go back here, right there are the documents you need to find. If you cannot find them, you can search them up here. Or you can search the title of the document, which they also have bolded for you. So the process of getting started on your own DIY divorce are there. And just like anything you're going to learn to do on your own that's of such magnitude, you're going to have to educate yourself a little bit. So read the information and follow that document. I would print it out, and that way I have it as a little checklist of what's working, what's applying, and what's not, because they're going to let you know if you're in agreement and if you're not in agreement. And there's going to be, those are two different steps on what other documents need to happen next. So there you have it. I wish you all luck, and we'll see you on another video.